All right, guys, we are doing the last helmet from Series 17. Still looking for either that Carson Wentz or the Aaron Rodgers. So this is box number 88 out of 100. So one autograph helmet in here, and let's see what we can get out of here. So Allison, you've got the Ravens. Bob K's got the Bills, the Bears, the Bengals, the Cowboys, the Texans, the Chargers, the Rams, Vikings, Jets, and Raiders. Brian G with the Browns. Chad J, you've got the Broncos, the Lions, the Packers, the Colts. Darren with the Eagles. Derek, you've got the Dolphins. Earl, what's up, man? You've got the Titans. Jason B with the Saints. Jessica W with the Steelers. John L with the Panthers. John M with the Chiefs. John W with the Cardinals. Johnny B. Cool, you've got the 49ers and Seahawks. Kenneth K with the Patriots and Bucks. Lee's got the Redskins. Marty with the Falcons. Mike B with the Giants. And then Tim C, you've got the Jags. All right, so 88 out of 100. It's all sealed up. So tomorrow night we've got Series 22, as well as the Chicago exclusive that's going to be ending. This is a heavy helmet. See if we got the Aaron Rodgers or the Wentz out of this. Feels like a monster. Oh, it is not, but it is a nice one. We've got a Steve Young. Steve Young, Hall of Fame 2005 inscribed. It's got the nice little Steve Young graphic there on the side of the helmet. And that is a legit helmet. Fanatic C of A right there on the back. Definitely looks like an official helmet to me. So that is Johnny B. Cool. Johnny, nice pull there, man. I don't know if that's what you were looking for or not, but that is a sweet helmet. So we will get that helmet mailed out to you tomorrow. It's a good way to end Series 17. So appreciate you guys joining us. We'll get that helmet mailed out. Got 2 more helmets we'll do that'll end on eBay tomorrow night, Monday night, and we'll break it here on Tuesday, so go check that out.